Hello, we are the welcome committee for our sister from Ireland, Nina. This is me, the big brother, the only one that she has. And this is the other sister. Say your name.
Lisa.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
She is soon arriving and then you will see her now on the internet. So she is back. She is back from Ireland. How was it?
Rainy. Cold. Wet. Nice.
Your son will be on YouTube. Say hello to your friends. Your friends are here. Really Irish. Tell them something nice. Sunshine in the sky, in the window. Goodbye. Goodbye.